I just bought one of these cleaning kegs and I'm pretty excited to be able to use it. I've used one in the past, but this one, not only affordable, but it works great as well. Let's dig into it here. All right, so VEVOR is the company here. It's a Sankey D coupler cleaning can. It has 4 ports on it to be able to connect 4 couplers, and full stainless steel with a rubber bottom. Really great to be able to have that rubber bottom. It just gives it, first off, a quiet set down. You can see the bottom there with it being inset there, and has the little ports to be able to push out any moisture in case there's anything underneath it. Has the great carrying handle. I have clean water in this. I have a Kegerator here that I'm gonna connect it to be able to flush out some of the fluid. But has the nice handle here, has the great open top on it that works out great. Has this D safety release on it that you can pull to be able to pull any pressure out of it. Right now, I don't have any pressure, it's not pressurized, so we can pull this without any gas coming out, but that would allow that to happen. Easy open top to be able to get off here. Sometimes it can be hard to do it with one hand, but I will attempt to open it up here. And that's actually great that it is such a tight fit to be able to get it off here. So just how it comes off is the top pulls up, pushes down to be able to get it off, turn it sideways, and then rotate it to be able to get it up. And then to be able to put this down, it has the O-ring on there, so the white O-ring that helps provide the seal. This is what it looks inside. It has the tubes that go down it all the way around. I do have it full of water, so you can't see all the way down, but you can come pretty darn close in there. But all in all, and then the top goes on. One thing to keep in mind when you're getting the tops put on is that sometimes they only go in one way, and that just might be because of the way that the tubes inside are oriented. But this one here goes in. You line up the top, get it to where, I always like to shake it side to side just to make sure that that O-ring seats properly, and then go through and push the lid down for a nice snug fit. Now I'm gonna go through and connect a decoupler to it. You'll hear it pressurize as well. I have the gas on here. So decoupler goes on there, push it down. You can hear it pressurize. And with that, now if I pull this, it should pull the gas out of the keg. Yep, so you can hear the gas flowing out of it. And then this here is now sealed. This is sealed here. This is not leaking. Nice, easy connection on the decouplers. It did come with these already tightened on here, so I didn't have to worry about tightening them. In the instruction sheet, it does say go through and take an adjustable wrench or a monkey wrench and go through and just make sure that these are tight. They should be really snugged on there, because otherwise what's gonna happen is as soon as you lift up the handle and try to turn the coupler off, if there's a coupler that's a little tight on there, it could cause these to unscrew. Not the end of the world, just requires a little bit more maintenance to be able to get those undone. But all in all, really great, easy to use keg, very affordable, and high quality stainless steel construction. I love it, and I know you will as well.